Hello, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to Mahdi English School. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and my subject is mathematics. And the students, this online session is for the class 2. So I hope that you are all watching the videos and learn through the videos. You can understood all the things from the videos. You are making books from the videos, and I hope that you like the videos to watch. Now let's start today's online session, but before we start the session, let's see the today's quote. So here is the quote that the only person who can really make you move is just a you. This is your dreams and this is you, and you have to push yourself only. No one will come to push yourself. No one will come to push you to complete your dreams, to achieve your dreams. You have to push yourself only. You are the only person who can push you. So only you are the person who can push you to get your dreams, to achieve your dreams. You are the only person. So always encourage yourself. No one will come to encourage. You have to encourage yourself only. Now let's move to the education part, study part. Let's move to the today's topic. So we are in the chapter number 8 only. We are continue this chapter 8 only, and I hope that you remember the name of the chapter, Exploring Multiplication Further. This is the name of the chapter, and this chapter is totally based on the tables. This thing I just told you again and again, and in the previous lectures also. This chapter is totally based on the table. Without table, it is impossible to learn and understood and solve the exercise by yourself. If you know the tables, it will be a very easy and helpful things for you to solve the worksheets. So students, please learn and write the tables. It will be a very helpful and useful to you. So today let's start the lecture with the revision of the previous topic. It was the word problem, or you can call it a problem solving also. We had learned so many examples in the previous lecture, but in this lecture, today's lecture, let's see the short recap of these examples, and then we will move to the textbook exercise. So first of all, let's revise shortly the examples of the word problem that we had learned in the previous lecture. So let's start this. Example number 1. An insect has 6 legs. How many legs do 3 insects have? So we are finding two information which is numerical, 6 and 3. So that's why I am writing 6 and 3. So 3 6 is equal to 18. So the answer is 18. And we have to give answer in the words also. So we can write in 3 insect has 18 legs. Now let's see the example number 2. How many legs do 5 table have? So here I am finding the one numerical information which is 5. So here I am writing 5, and there are 5 tables. So one table have 4 legs. You can see in the picture there are 4 legs one table have. So that's why I am putting 4 here. Now 4 5s or 5 4s both are equal to 20. Here I am writing 20. 5 4s 20. Here I am writing. So the answer is 20, and we have to give answer in the words also. So 5 table has 20 legs. I am repeating this answer. 5 table has 20 legs. Now the next example, a tablet. You all knows the tablet. You all are using tablets, mobile phones, PCs, laptops, right? A tablet makes 3 hours to fully charge. You all are charged your mobile phones, laptop, PC, right? Mobile phones. A tablet takes 3 hours to fully charge. It takes 3 hours. How many hours would it take to charge 4 tablets one after the one? It means you have to charge first tablet. It takes 3 hours. Then you have to put second tablet. It also takes 3 hours. As this way you have to put 4 tablets. One tablet take 3 hours. So how many hours take the 4 tablets? So 4 threes is equal to 12. So here I am writing the 12. Now we have to give answer in the words also, that it takes 12 hours to charge 4 tablets fully charged. It takes 12 hours because here answer is 12. It takes 12 hours to charge 4 tablets. Now the next example is here. Let's see this example now. I buy 3 packs of 10 pens. Here is the question. We have to read it very carefully. I buy 3 packs of 10 pens. How many pens have I bought? So there are 3 packs. So I am writing 3 here. Now TEN 10, there are numerical information is given in the word form. I repeat my sentence that there are numerical information is given in the words form, TEN 10. So I am writing 1010. So 3 tens is equal to 30, or 10 threes is also equal to 30. So we have to give answer in the words also, as we give in every problem solving. So here we can write this way the answer, that I have bought 30 pens. How we can write down? How we can give the answer in the words? That I have bought 30 pens. This is the answer. Now the next example. Newton can run 3 meters in a minute. Newton is a name. Like my name is Nilofer, your name is Abbas, then Shoaib, Fatima, Sana, whatever. So here is Newton. Newton can run 3 meters in a minute. He can run 3 meters in 1 minute. So how far could he run in 5 minutes? So how many meters he can run in 5 minutes? So here is 3 meters. He can run in 1 minute. So how many he can run in 5 minutes? So we have to multiply it. 5 threes is equal to 15, and 3 fives is also equal to 15. So we can write down the answer 15 this way. Now we have to give the words, answer in the words. Here is the answer in the word, that he can run 15 meters in 5 minutes. How much he can run? He can run 15 meters. He can run 15 meters in 5 minutes. Now the next example for you. Eggs come in the box of 6. Eggs come in the box of 6. It means there are 6 eggs in one box. There are 6 eggs in one box. So how many eggs will come in the 4 box? Here is the question, that there are 6 eggs in one box. So how many eggs in 4 boxes? So here is 6 eggs in one box, and that types of 4 boxes are there. So 4 sixes is equal to 24 and 6 fours is also equal to 24. This way we can write down the answer. Now we have to give answer in the words also. There are 24 eggs in 4 boxes. This way we have to give answer in the words also. Now let's start the textbook exercise. So you have to fill the textbook exercise into the textbook also if you have, and if you don't have, so you have to write down in the fair book. So students, are you all ready to solve the textbook exercise of a word problem? This is very easy word problem. So let's start. So here is the question number A, sum number A. So we have to read it very carefully first. So let's read the question first. This question is from the textbook, sum number A. The classroom has 3 walls. The classroom has 3 walls with 5 display chart on each wall. So what it means? There are 3 walls in the classroom and each wall has 5 chart papers. You remember you are making the chart papers and I am just putting it, I am just sticking it on the board, notice board. You are remembering this, that you are making many different types of chart and I am just sticking it with the help of the stapler on the notice board. You remember this? That types of charts, 5 charts on each wall, 5 chart papers on each walls. So the question is that how many charts are in the classroom? What is the question? That the classroom has 3 walls with 5 display charts on each wall, because one wall have the blackboard and other 3 wall have the notice board. So that wall have 5 charts on the 3 walls. So total how many charts are there? I am showing the picture of the charts in the class, that if you are forgetting because you are not coming to school since so many long time, so I am showing you the picture of the classroom, that how we are just sticking the charts on the wall. See this, here I am showing you one picture of the classroom, and you remember that this types of board is available in our class only, and we are putting these types of charts on in our class also. Do you remember? You are making different these types of chart and I am putting this way on the notice board. In our class also having this types of notice board and we are putting the charts this way. Do you remember this? Okay, so this way there are 3 walls in the class and there are 5 wallpapers on each wall. So total there are how many charts are there in the classroom? So here is the question, that the classroom has 3 walls. So I am writing 3 because there are 3 walls with 5 display chart. So one wall have 5 charts. So I am writing 5 here. How many charts are in the classroom? The question is that how many charts are there in the classroom? So 5 threes or 3 fives is equal to 15. So we can write down 15 this way. We can write down 15 this way. So we have to give answer in the words also, that there are 15 charts in the classroom. This way you have to write down in the fair book. You must have to write the examples, word problem and this textbook exercise also in the fair book. You must have to write, and you have to write down the question this way. You have to solve the sum this way, and you have to write the answer in the words this way. You have to give the heading answer, put 2 dots, put column, and then you can write this way, that there are 15 charts in the classroom. Here is the question that how many charts are in the classroom. So we can write there are 15 charts in the classroom. That much easy this thing is. So let's move to the next one. Here is the question number B. So let's read this question number B of the textbook exercise. So here is, there are two staff room. You know now what is staff room? Where the teachers are sitting, it called the staff room. Where the staff of school is sitting, it called the staff room. There are two staff room with 5 fans in each room. So what it means, there are two staff room in our school. You are know where is the staff room, and there are 5 fans in one staff room. So these types of two staff rooms are there. What it means, there are one staff room and one staff room have 5 fans, and the other staff room have other 5 fans. So how many fans in all? The question is that how many fans in all? There are 2 rooms and each room has 5 fans. I am showing the picture of the staff room. See these types of the staff room are there, and these types of fans also will be there. So total there are 2 types. This is the one room and these types of other rooms are there. So one room has 5 fans. So how many fans in the both the staff room have? So we have to write down that there are 2 staff rooms and there are 5 fans in each. 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are is also equal to 10. So here is, we are getting the answer, we are getting the product is 10. 5 2s are is equal to 10 and 2 5s are is also equal to 10. And we have to give answer in the words also. This way we can write down the answer in the words this way. There are 10 fans in all. Here is the question, how many fans in all? So we can write down there are 10 fans in all. Here is in all. So we have to give these words in the answer also, that there are 10 fans in all. This way we can write down the answer in the words. And this is the compulsory to write answer in the words in the word problem. This is the compulsory. The marks will be counted of the answer in the words. Whenever you are writing the answer in the words, the marks is countable of the answer. And if you are not writing the answer in the words, if you are not giving answer in the words, the marks will be cut in the exam. So it will be a very useful. That's why I am giving you the answers of the words in words. It will be a very helpful to you in the exam. Now let's see the question number C. Here is the textbook exercise and let's read this. Now there are 4 chalk boxes in the cupboards. You know now that our class has the cupboards and I am putting the chalk boxes in the cupboard. You remember this, that our class has a very big cupboard and I am putting all the chalk boxes and dusters in the cupboard, right? So there are 4 chalk boxes in the cupboards. How many chalk boxes are there? 4 chalk boxes, and each chalk box has 6 chalks in it. There are 4 boxes and one box has 6 chalk. Second box has also 6 chalks. Third has 6 chalks. 4 has 6 chalks. 5 and 6 and so on. That every chalk box has 6 chalks stick in it. So the question is that how many chalks in all? Here is the question, that how many chalks in all? So I am showing you the chalk box. Do you remember these types of chalk boxes I am keeping with me? And I am just putting these types of boxes in the cupboard. See, I am showing you the chalks. You can call it the chalk stick. You can call it the chalk box and you can call it the chalk stick. So there are 6 boxes. These types of 6 boxes are there, and each box, these types of 4 boxes are there, and these types of 6 chalk sticks in each box. I hope that you understood this. These types of 4 boxes in the cupboard, and there are 6 chalks stick this way, these types of in the boxes. So total how many chalk sticks are there? So how many chalks in all? So here is 4 chalk boxes. So I am writing 4 here because there are 4 chalk boxes in the cupboard. Each box has 6 chalks. So I am writing 6 here because each box has 6 chalks. So I am writing 6 here. Now 4 6s or 6 4s both are equal to 24. 6 4s is equal to 24, and 4 6s is also equal to 24. Now see this, here is that we have to give answer in the words also, as I told you before also. Now here is the answer in the words, that there are 24 chalks in all. Here is the question, we have to given the information as the answer, that how many chalks in all. So we can say this, that there are 20 chalks in all. How many? There are 20 chalks in all. It means there are 24 chalk sticks in the cupboard in the 4 boxes. I hope you understood this. Next one, let's read this. Dhruv has 2 math periods every day. What? He having 2 periods every day. You don't know that how many periods will come, maths period, science, English, grammar, Gujarati, that type of maths period. Dhruv has 2 every day. He goes to school 6 days in a week. How many days he goes to school? He goes to school 6 days in a week. How many maths periods does Dhruv have in a week? So the question is, in a week, in a 6 days, total there are how many periods he attend, how many lectures he attend throughout the 6 days. That is the question. This way you are going to school, right? Do you remember these types of uniforms you are wearing and going to school this way and attend the lectures? So this way students, you are going to school, and Dhruv is going to school. See, here is the Dhruv. Dhruv is going to school 6 days in a week this way, and he attend 2 lectures of mathematics every day. So how many lectures of mathematics he attend in 6 days? So we have to count that there are 2 maths period every day he attend. So I am getting the information 2 from here. And how many days he goes to school? So he goes to school 6 days, because the day number 7 is a Sunday. Because Sunday is a holiday, so no one will come to school. So he attends 6 days of the week. Now the question is that how many maths period does Dhruv have in a week? So 2 6s is equal to 12, and 6 2s is also equal to 12. So we have to write down the answer this way, that 12. Now we have to give answer in the words also, as we given in the every sum, right? So I am giving the answer that he have 12 maths period in a week. This way we have to give answer in the words, that he have, it means Dhruv have 12 maths periods in a week. This way we have to give answers in the words also. Now the today's topic is, this is our today's topic. After completing the textbook exercise of problem solving, Let's move to the question number 2 of this exercise. And here is the heading. Let's read the heading first. Read the following word problem and decide whether they are addition, subtraction or multiplication, and circle the correct symbol. In this we have to just decide this is a subtraction, multiplication or addition. Which types of this sum is, which operation we have to follow. In this topic we are not going to solve the sum, we are not going to give answer in the words. We have to just decide it is addition, subtraction or multiplication, and we have to circle on the correct symbol. Symbol of addition, symbol of subtraction and the symbol of multiplication will be there, and we have to choose particular symbol of the operation, which it is, which operation we have to follow. But we have to decide after reading the question. We have to reading the question first. I am showing you one or two examples. Let's see, and we'll see this topic in detail in the next lecture. But let's see 2 or 3 examples of this topic, and then I am showing you, I am explain this topic in the brief, in the detail in the next lecture. Let's see this. See here the example number 1, and here you can see there are 3 symbols are there: addition, subtraction and multiplication. So we have to read the question first. What is the question? That Josh had 16 marbles in his collection. Just very clearly you have to understood this. You have to focus on the question. You have to very clearly explain this. Josh had 16 marbles in his collection. He lost 7 marbles. So from the 16 he lost the 7. How many marble does he have now? So total they have, the Josh had 16 marbles, and from the 16 he lost 7. So we have to cut 7 from the 16. It means which operation we have to follow? Addition, subtraction or multiplication. Which sign we need? What we need to do? Addition, subtraction or multiplication, because we have to cut. Cut, it means the minus, because there are 6 marble and 7 he lost. It means he lost somewhere. So we have to do the subtraction with this sum. So we have to just we have to not to do solve the sum. We are not going to give answer in the words also. We are not solving the sum also. We have to just decide what to do: addition, subtraction or multiplication. And after deciding this is the subtraction, we have to circle on the subtraction sign only, nothing to do, nothing else we have to do. After deciding this is the subtraction, we have to circle on the subtraction sign only, nothing else. Now let's see the next example for you. Megan has 19 seashells. Megan has 19 seashells. How many more seashells does she need to find to have 25 seashells in her collection? So Megan has already 19 seashells and she wants to make it 25. So how many seashells she add into the 19? So we get the answer 25. So what to do? You have to cut 19 from the 25. So you will get the answer that how many seashells she need to make 25. I repeat this thing, that she have to cut 19 number from the 25 to found that how many seashells she want to make the collection of 25. So what we do? We have to do addition, subtraction or multiplication. What we do? So we have to do subtraction, because we are cutting the numbers. We are cutting 19 from the 25. It means we have to perform subtraction with it. Understood, students? Now students, we will discuss this topic in detail in the next lecture. So stay home, stay safe, do your homework, do practice, do revision of the S7 exam. So bye bye, we'll meet in the next lecture.